Incorporating the added content into our episode, Faith in the Age of Knowledge, deepens our exploration into the complex relationship between information overload and its impact on society. Now, let's delve into the phenomenon of bullshit, a term that has gained traction in academic and social discourse, reflecting a growing concern over the veracity and utility of information that inundates our daily lives. One blogger laments the proliferation of meaningless chatter in their article, The Poetics of Bullshit, highlighting a world increasingly filled with nonsense. This sentiment is not isolated, it resonates with a broader societal frustration with the endless stream of vacuous content, especially magnified by social media's intensity. Are we nearing a critical mass of bullshit, and if so, what can be done about it? Harry G. Frankfurt, an American philosopher, was among the first in modern times to address this cultural phenomenon, which he terms bullshit culture. Influenced by philosophers like Immanuel Kant, René Descartes, and Ludwig Wittgenstein, Frankfurt posits that bullshit is a prominent feature of human culture. His concise 67-page treatise on the subject became an unexpected bestseller, striking a chord with readers worldwide. Frankfurt argues that bullshit is everywhere, taken for granted by society. We presume our ability to detect bullshit, thus not considering its potential harm. Without a clear understanding of what bullshit entails, we cannot fully grasp its impact. Frankfurt asserts the need for a theory of bullshit, distinguishing it from lies. While liars are aware of the truth they seek to conceal, bullshitters are indifferent to the truthfulness of their statements. Their primary concern is whether their audience is convinced. This, according to Frankfurt, makes bullshit a greater enemy of truth than lies. Gordon Pennycook's research team at the University of Waterloo in Ontario, Canada, has taken a more practical approach to studying bullshit. They examined how people perceive the depth of seemingly profound, yet essentially empty statements. This research highlights our susceptibility to being impressed by nonsense, provided it's presented in a sophisticated manner. Alberto Brandolini, an Italian programmer, articulated the bullshit asymmetry principle, also known as Brandolini's law. It posits that the energy required to refute bullshit is an order of magnitude larger than that needed to produce it. This principle reflects the frustrating reality that disproving falsehoods is significantly more challenging than spreading them. In response to the pervasive nature of bullshit, particularly in the era of big data, the University of Washington in Seattle has introduced a new course titled Bullshit in the Age of Big Data. The course aims to equip students with the skills to identify and neutralize bullshit, emphasizing the critical importance of such discernment in maintaining a democratic society. By the end of the course, students are expected to be adept at recognizing bullshit in all its forms, understanding its essence, and effectively communicating this understanding to others. This addition to our discussion not only emphasizes the scale of information overload, but also highlights the critical need for analytical skills to navigate and make sense of the vast sea of data and claims we encounter daily. It underscores the importance of skepticism and critical thinking in the age of knowledge, where the ability to discern truth from bullshit is not just an academic exercise, but a necessary skill for informed citizenship and democratic engagement. As we continue to explore the complexities of information in contemporary society, it's clear that the challenges we face are not just about the quantity of information, but also about its quality and our capacity to critically engage with it. In our journey through the Faith in the Age of Knowledge, we are reminded that the quest for understanding and truth is an ongoing process, requiring not only access to information, but also the wisdom to discern its value.